One goal is all it takes to make anything possible. To be a kid with your kids is possible. Putting diabetes on back gear and food in front gear is possible. To leave behind a severe pain in the search of new starting lines is possible. It's possible to dance your way to your dreams and earn the spotlight. It's all possible with Truweight. Truweight has made thousands of such goals possible. And that's why we made Truweight possible. Make all your goals possible. Book a free health consultation today.